What's up, guys? This is Pastor Kalam again. Tonight we're coming up with another tutorial in Java, and tonight we're going to be talking about comments and readability. So I already have my program ready to go. I have my class, my public class by the name Readability, and also I have my main method ready to go. So comments. Why is so important to talk about comments or to do comments when you're programming? In the real world, like, you will spend most of your time like looking at and fixing others people codes. At the same time, others people, they're going to be spending time looking at and fixing your own code after you were done. So that is so important that everyone's code needs to be understandable. The one key for understanding is to have good comments. And what is a comment? Comments are words that humans read, but the compiler ignores. For example, we're going to do system that print line. So we're going to do I love Java, right? So boom. Now there is two types of comments that we're going to talk about. The first one is the one that has one line. How do you do that? How do you start that? You do like a couple of forward slash, and then you type like a descriptive name for the code. Like, I love Java. You can just say printing something. Something like that, right? So if you do if you want to print something else, copy and then paste. I love Java and I code every day. If you want to do another comment right here, printing some more stuff. So this, it doesn't look that great. Usually your comment has to be just on a block for something. If you want to do a calculator and there is different formulas, just do one single comment on the top, and then it's for the whole block of your formulas and stuff that you're talking about for your calculator, and that wouldn't look great and will be confusing. So it's a lot easier just to have one line of code. Now, and if you have one line of comment, if that is short, you can just do this. Now, if you have like more than one line, maybe you have like 2 lines, maybe you can just do forward slash, then asterisk. You start it like that, and then you end it with another asterisk, and then forward slash, and that wouldn't affect the your program when you run it. For example, if you do another system that out print line hello world, so the compiler will ignore all of this right here, all the comment. What the compiler cares is just about this. It only will print this. It doesn't care about this. It doesn't care about readability. It doesn't care about your comments. Yeah. So if you run this, I don't know why I got that. So it should get hello world right here, right? Okay, so this is the two types of comments. There is another one that we usually use. It's a term. It's called prologue. Prologue. I think it's called prologue. I don't think it is. I think it is for sure. Is real. Yeah, you start with the forward slash and then asterisk, and you prologue. Sorry for my English. Yeah, that's how you call it, prologue. So what you do, you should prologue. You should go on top of the program, and you type it like this. and then you do a bunch of asterisks, right here, and then you finish. So why do you have to do this? So since a lot of people are going to be trying just to work in your code too in the future after you're done with your project or your program, so it's pretty necessary, very important. You can just kind of give a little bit of a description about your program, and that's where you write it down right here. So right here it goes like the name of the program, like this one is called Readability. Read, oh man, readability. I'm having a hard time with this word. So, and then it goes the author right here, which is me, Pastor Canayo. And then right here, just a short description of the program, like, this is to help about comments and readability. Okay. So this is basically is giving a quick description or give an idea what the program is about. Like, when the new developer comes and work in your code, it's just to help. Yeah. So basically, this is how your code's supposed to be. You gotta have comments, so that way it can be readable, can be understandable. Whoever people is going to come later to work in your code, even for yourself, you can just come and, oh yeah, I remember what I did. I remember where I put these comments right here. Yeah, just for your own benefit and for the others, just to work as a team. Well, hopefully you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe and share it. Thank you and have a good night. Okay, bye.